Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix connection error unable to connect with the server problem in Brawl Stars. To fix this, follow my on-screen instruction carefully. Okay, let's start the video. Tap and hold press Brawl Stars. Tap on app info. Scroll down a little bit. Tap on storage. Now clear cache and clear data. Tap on permission. Make sure your permission is enabled. Go to your Play Store and check update Brawl Stars apps. My app's already updated. Go back and check your internet connection, mobile data and Wi-Fi. Enable connection. Now restart your device and try to log in your account. Hopefully your problem solved successfully. Thanks for watching.